sheer whitewater adventure here in Uganda on the Mighty White Nile. This one goes by the name of Bubugo Falls. Small class 3 guys, couple of options. We've got the death pit for the brave out on that far side. Alright guys, here we are, we're made our way downstream. We are now down at the big one. This one goes by the name of Tanda Falls, unfortunately class 6, which means you guys are having a run around the outside, but luckily we do let you do the last 100 meters of the rapid, which includes this big nasty thing behind me, the bad place. This is where all the fun and games happening here guys. Big surfs, big flips, carnage, you're probably going to lose your head, shorts, all that stuff. If you survive that, you're going to pop up down there coughing and screaming for your mother. So paddle hard and enjoy.
Been down road, we've come a long way. Walked the path to an early grave. Seen so much hate and so much heartache. Though we thought we passed at 25, others left but one more still alive. The injustice tears my eyes. Years of and Camel brought the ammo.
Alright guys, so after a short rest, some lunch up there on the flat stretch. We are now down at the next group of rapids. 3 rapids close together guys, Vengeance, Hair the Dog, Cooler Shaker, all class 3, but still a lot of fun. Keep paddle hard, and I'll see you down in Nile Special. Here we are, we're finally bimbled our way across that flat section, and now we are our final rapid of the day. And this one goes by the name of Nile Special. Big bouncy roller coaster we're tuning again guys, but this here, this wave here, you see this kite surfing around, this is the one that's going to cause you all the problems. Flips, surfs, happy days. Anyway, so well done today guys, and enjoy this last rapid.